It's bath time. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you like that? You like that? See? Oh, yes. Grandma, first time you're bathing him?
Yeah.
Ooh.
See?
Ooh, right between the toes.
I'm gonna
Between
get
all
him
the toes.
toesies.
Get him all the toes.
Get all the little folds.
All the little creases.
Okay.
Oh, man. Hey, you dogs, you must get wet as Ethan, eh?
Whoa, you don't like that, Grandma?
Okay. Woo! Oh, yeah.
There's more water on the table than there is.
Yeah.
You don't have to start playing with yourself already, Mr. Man. Yeah, it can wait a few years yet. Yeah, right. It's not going to wait a few years, though.
Sweet. Awesome, Blossom.
I get to bath him today.
Yeah, have fun with it.
I am. Oh, what? Oh, what's Grandma doing? Hey, what's Grandma doing?
She gets an honor, sucker.
I don't want to put too much soap on here. Or do you do more than that?
I lather it up pretty good.
What are you guys looking at? Did I drop something on there? He loves that.
Oh, he doesn't like the water on the face, though.
Oh.
Water in the eyes.
Huh?
In the eyes.
There we go. You're fine. You're fine.
He doesn't like water in the eyes. Oh, in the mouth.
What? Okay.
Are you all bathed? Are you all bathed?
Hey.
Okay, now. Where's the hook?
You ready? Okay. Here we go. Okay, Grandpa, you got him? Oh, Grandpa's got ya. Hey. Oh my goodness, that's wet.
That's not too bad yet.
Did you have a good bath?
We've had it all over the floor before.